that you never heard about. Who was the first to propose the theory of evolution? Charles Darwin was the first who gave the theory of evolution. What is evolution? Evolution is a process of heritable change in population of organism over multiple generations. Charles Darwin was an English naturalist, geologist, and biologist. His proposition that all the species of life have descended over time over the common ancestor. Now the next question is animal having chlorophyll. That is the cetal. The cetal is a being green for a sea slug. Sea slug is the animals that live in the oceans. That has the stolen enough genes to become the first animal that shown to make chlorophyll like a plant. Chlorophyll is the pigment which is required for to perform photosynthesis or to make food of the plants or the animals. It has a shape like a leaf itself. And the other is which fish is known as the man eater. There are many animals which consume the man, but the fish is known as a piranha. It is attacked by the result. It result in the death have which have occurred in the Amazon basin. Some Brazilian rivers have warning signs about the lethal piranhas. These are also known as the crabs or the pirias. The blue whale, the largest animal on the earth of all the time, reaching a height of about 198 US tons. Their tongues can alone weigh as much as elephant and their hearts as much as their car. Yet they survive by eating just a teeny phytoplankton, which is the animal having wings for flying. The bat is the only animals or the only mammals that that have the wings for the flying. There are flying squirrels also, but they don't really fly. Bats can flip their wings and they also can fly like a bird. Which animal has the high blood pressure? Uh, the blood pressure of the giraffe is the highest of all the animals, which have the 300 by 200. 300 by 200. 300 is considered as the systolic blood pressure and the 200 is the diastolic blood pressure, that is mmHg. They have the high blood pressure because their heart has to pump blood upon neck 7 feet long to reach his brain. Which is the only animal that sleep on its back. It's just human beings, we can sleep on our backs, and apes usually sleep sitting up and leaning on something, just like other animals. Which is the only snake that gives to baby? The rat vipers. Along with that, rattlesnakes species and the bios also give to young ones. That means that the body snake develop inside their mother when they are born. They are covered with a thin membrane, kind of like a goppy baggies, and the baby uses an egg tooth to ripe out the membrane and the wriggle free. Animals that have the longest span, the tortoise and the turtles live long. In fact, the tortoise to live longer was the 180 years old. On an average, tortoise live for 120 to 250 years. They generally have low metabolic rate, which contributes to their longer lifespan. The animals that can change its color, as we all know, the chameleon, or in Hindi it is known as the girgit. They are considered as the quick change artist of the animal, and rapidly they change the shade of their body. Now the time for the question. Give the answer in the comment section, the animals which can change its gender. Thank you.